Hello everyone, this is Mom Harsha on her favorite show Live at 5. So, really happy that yesterday many of them told me that now, since I've started this series of A to Z of parenting, they have started speculating that कल अगर लेटर जे होगा तो मैम जे का क्या फुल फॉर्म निकालेंगे या मैम जे को क्या टाइटल देंगे. So let's revise this ABC first, and then we'll go on to letter J, which says joyful, because there were a lot of suggestions yesterday on my personal chat that J could be judgment, J could be just, J could be joy. Someone had suggested, of course, joy. So there were a lot of speculations, and I'm very happy when I get that kind of a feedback. So let's revise ABCD. बच्चों को भी मैं ABCD पढ़ाती हूँ, and now I've started, teaching the parents. But in this parent group, the first student is Harsha herself, because I'm sharing all the experiences that are life that happened with me and what I learn or what I understand through those experiences and how I try to get better. So when I talk about being a parenting mentor, does not mean that I am perfect and the others are not. No, because in parenting there is nothing such as perfect parenting. Everyone is trying their hands on. It's a trial and error game. If you succeed, it becomes a tip, and if you fail, it becomes a lesson. It's that way. So let's revise ABC. So letter A, acceptance. Letter B, believe in your child. Letter C, communication. Letter D, decision making. Letter F, firmness. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, good touch, bad touch. H, healthy food habits. I, independence. And today, joyful. Yes, so here one of my friends is typing that joyful like you. When I always get a compliment that I always keep on smiling, my husband tells me, what is this false smile? And I'm like, no, it's not a false smile. He always, whenever Archana Puran Singh comes on that comedy show, he says, Jo, Archana Puran Singh, how she laughs, without any reason. You also keep on smiling like that. I mean, really, I don't do that, but it's my nature, I always feel happy when some good things happen around me. So that smile automatically comes on my face. And so today's topic is being joyful. This is the hardest quality of parenting, I would say, because when you want to connect joy with parenting, I find it opposite kind of a thing. Because if you look at to a parent, सुबह से शाम तक, specifically when I'm talking about parenting, I will address a mom, because dads generally don't parent too much. Dads are spoilers and they have very less time with their children. So in that less time, they want to be the hero, about which I have talked earlier. So I will not touch that part. So primarily and majoritarily, what I feel is that a mom is the main crux or the main idea behind parenting. So अगर मम्मी को अब 24 घंटे में, for example, if she's awake for say 10 hours and if she's with the child for say 5 odd hours, तो 5 घंटे में आप भी खुद कैलकुलेशन कीजिए. I will also do myself. But my calculation will be a little different, because I am basically a very joyful person, because I find humor in each and everything. So my nature, my forte is that kind. So you can term me as a comedian as well when it comes to parenting. So 5 घंटा अगर बच्चा आपके पास है, तो 5 घंटे में से 10 मिनट आप उसके साथ खुश हैं, हैप्पी हैं, विद दैट स्माइल, यू आर लाफिंग, यू आर गिगलिंग, यू आर क्रैकिंग जोक्स. 15 मिनट, 1 घंटा, 2 घंटा, 5 घंटा. ओ माय गॉड, 5 घंटा कोई कैसे बच्चों के साथ जॉयफुल रह सकता है? बिकॉज इट्स अ टास्क. Because moms ko, they have to instruct their children, they have to keep nagging their children, they have to keep the children advising क्या सही है क्या गलत है. And now in that comedy का couple show, how will it fit in? So friends, it's very important. This skill of being joyful is very important when it comes to parenting, because if you are not joyful yourself, you will not be able to pass that joy. And it's very important, irrespective of the child that we have. If we have Amitabh Bachchan as a child, if we have Amrish Puri as a child, if we have Nawazuddin Siddiqui as a child. So, I'm trying to make this episode a little humorous. So not everyone will have a child who is, like Amitabh Bachchan. We have Prans also. We have Prem Chopras also. So let's understand and let's start accepting, and let's try to bring in a jovialness in our day-to-day routine. It is very important because whatever child we have, it's a God gift. And second, the child is the miniature version of ourselves. It's the miniature version of us. So usko zyada bolne se zyada, we have to reflect that on us. So let's keep that happy mood going on in the houses, because that will keep you away from being anxious, being frustrated, being tensed all the time and being worried all the time कि अब छोटा बच्चा है तो पेरेंट्स ऐसा वरी करेंगे, कब सीखेगा, कब पढ़ेगा, कब ये करेगा. बड़ा बच्चा है तो ऐसे वरी करेंगे कि कब लाइन पे चढ़ेगा, when they'll select their career and when they'll go for their business or their jobs. So every age of child has its own challenges. Every age of a child has its own problems. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि बच्चा छोटा है तो ओके यू आर ऑन द सेफ जोन और बच्चा बड़ा है तो यू आर इन द सेफ जोन. आई हैव बोथ अ टॉडलर एंड अ टीन इन माई हाउस, सो आई कैन से neither of them are pleasant. I'm not talking about the children, but the journey. टॉडलर की जर्नी भी इतनी ही challenges से भरी होती है और टीन्स की तो उससे ज्यादा. So let's make this parenting journey very, very joyful, because some things are in our hands, some things are not in our hands. So the things which are in our hands are the things that we can control. और सबसे अंडरलाइन करने वाली बात है, इफ यू अग्री, टुडे ओनली वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड has told me to try this, that if you like anything what I say, you can type that as a comment and I will like that thing. So I will underline that thing, that the things that are in your control, believe me, only you can change them. And number one thing is that you are the only person for whom it can be changed. तो मैं चेंज हो रही हूँ मेरे लिए. I cannot expect the other person in my house, may it be my husband, may it be my children, may it be anyone else in the family. I cannot expect anyone to change. मैं advise करूँगी, nag करूँगी, threaten करूँगी, मैं जो मर्जी कर लूँ. If at all there is a change, it will be for temporary phase. So at the end, what I feel is that the journey of parenting should be joyful. Not for the sake of others, but for my sake. If I am joyful at the end of the day, I am happy, I sleep peacefully. And at the end, believe me, what matters is the self-peace. Because ek had se zyada you cannot try to change anyone on this earth. So make efforts to, guide your children. Make efforts to, instruct them. But keep that proportion very, very limited. For example, I'll narrate a very real example that happens in my house. For example, in this lockdown period, my son is here, who studies at Ahmedabad otherwise. So he's here. So I, मेरे में भी माता है जो जाग जाती है. So I feel that he should help me in the home chores, whatever I'm doing. If I'm doing laundry, if I'm doing ironing, if I'm, putting vessels in its place, or whatever little thing that I'm doing, I feel that if he's just passing by, he should, take a moment to look at me and offer me help. But let me be very frank, that is a daydream. It never happens. And if he passes by, मेरे अंदर की मम्मी जाग के ये बोलती है, oh बेटा come here, mama is doing so much, थोड़ा help कर दो. And he's like, oh my god, mama, I have my classes, mama, I have this phone to attend, mama, I फलाना वना ढिमकाना. And they have all possible reasons. Now, supposing if this incident happens 5 to 6 times in a day, one time I will get angry, that is for sure, because it triggers, But the rest of the time, I will take it as, ठीक है, चलो कोई बात नहीं. It is difficult. Because at that point of time when I am, calling my child for help, what I'm looking for is that I want my child to develop a quality of helping others, to learn something that I'm doing. For example, it's making tea or laying the dining table or doing the laundry or whatever for that matter. So my intention is to, call him, involve him in that activity so that he learns for his future. But if he doesn't want to learn, ठीक है यार. सबने, एक कहावत है हमारे गुजराती में, माथे पड़ से तो बद्धा कर से. हिंदी में मैं उसका अनुवाद करूंगी, सर पे पड़ेगा तो सब लोग करेंगे. So then, if 5 times I'm telling my son or my daughter to do anything, for once, human tendency, I will get angry, that is for sure. but for 4 times I have tried and I've tested that I will हंसने में उड़ा दूंगी, okay, ठीक है, and I will start cracking jokes that yes, I know mama is going to call you and now Manav is going to say I have a call, I have a class to attend. So he also participates in these jokes. It hurts me, being a mom, कि यार तेरे को हंसी आ रही है और मेरे को help की जरूरत है. But these are the things that I can't negotiate on, I cannot do that because beyond a limit you cannot tell anyone anything. So try and test these things at your home front, कि आप बच्चों को बोलिए, करे तो very good, न करे तो very 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 good. But बोलने में you have to keep a little patience कि कितनी बार आप बोल रहे हो और कितनी frequency से बोल रहे हो. So there are a few L's that I have jotted down today. So if you like, you can always type those L's or any comment that you like, you can just type in so that it will help me connect with the audience, that what is the taste of the audience and how I should take my further shows. So being a joyful parent, the first quality is love unconditionally. Now when I mention love unconditionally means if my son is helping me for laundry, I will love him more, and if he doesn't help me, I will not love him. So here I have to love him if not. That is basically the meaning of love unconditionally. Second is laugh with each other. So make each and every episode in your house, if not each and every, at least a few episodes in your house which are humorous, wherein the whole family involves in laughing. It's very, it creates the homely atmosphere, very light. हंसना और सबके साथ, वो सब जो टेलीविजन आता है ना, तारक मेहता वाला चैनल, उसकी टैगलाइन मुझे बहुत पसंद है, सबके साथ. So and the laughter that they are spreading is सबके साथ. So to laugh with the family, once you try that thing. जब भी आपको गुस्सा आए ना, एक ये टिप है, याद रखो, जब भी आपको गुस्सा आए, try and take that anger into a humorous turn. देखो वो बच्चा भी हंसेगा और आप भी हंसोगे, एंड एट द एंड द मैटर विल बी लाइट. गुस्सा करने से भी वो लॉन्ड्री नहीं करने वाला है, हंसने से भी लॉन्ड्री नहीं करने वाला है. वो लॉन्ड्री मदर इंडिया को ही करना है, तो फिर मदर इंडिया हंस के क्यों ना करे. सो 5 बार गुस्सा होना इससे अच्छा एक ही बार गुस्सा होना. 4 times try to make it light. And believe me, when घर में जब हंसी होती है ना, खुशी बहुत आती है घर के अंदर. सो मेक दैट एनवायरमेंट लाइवली. और अगर इफ यू नॉट गुड एट ह्यूमर टॉक्स, ट्राई एंड अटेंड कपिल शर्मा's शो. And second important I would suggest is Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. You should see those shows because they are wonderful. They are very very relaxing. And when you try and turn the whole topic, when you want to when your anger is triggered and you try to shift that anger from trigger to being happy, and when you practice often, you will feel that you are changing as a human being. So 1 L is love unconditionally. Second is laugh. Third is listen to each other. I have talked a lot about it, so I will just touch and go on this. When I mean listen, not only words but everything. Listen to the eye contact, listen to the touch they make, listen to the unsound, the nazar jo unki ghumti hai na, that is also saying something. So a mom should try to understand and reach out to that level. Second, the next is learn from each other. Now a toddler in my house also is a medium of learning. And a teen in my house is also a medium of learning. But most of the time, parenting is mistaken as if माता ही है जो ज्ञान का भंडार है and माता ही है जो ज्ञान बांटेगी. So let's try and learn from each other, because today's generation, may it be a toddler, may it be a teenager, so much there is to learn. Because if I talk about my daughter, today only when I was, getting little worried with my son, and I was telling him, we were, fighting for the laptop because he wanted his classes and I had a webinar to set. So I was like, we had a little fight that, oh my God, I told you 11:30 I have a webinar, Manav, you have to give me. And he's like, oh my God, Mama, no, this. So my daughter comes and tells me, believe me, these are her words. She's 6 years old in standard 1. She comes and tells me, she tells, oh mama, don't shout so loudly, इतना जोर से मत बोलो, आप टर्न कर लो ना. हम लोग कैसे, मैं और हेतवी कैसे टर्न करते हैं, पहले हेतवी खेलेगी फिर मैं खेलूंगी, तो आप लोग लैपटॉप का टर्न कर लो. I mean, I was so puzzled at that time that so much to learn from her. In fact, actually, I should have done that. I should have told my son that if you want at 11:30, that's my turn. You set your classes at another time. I think that I could have worked out. But see, a 6-year-old child, comes up and tells me that you can take turns. So this is so simple. So learning happens anywhere and everywhere. Then live as a family. So now when I term this live as a family, also I have touched many a times, but the family which eats together, is happy together, who laughs together, actually lives together. So here when I mean laugh together or eat together, is like a dining table wherein four my family members are eating and there are six mobiles and each one is fidgeting with the mobile. I think that is not living with the family. So set such kind of rules that, okay, this time there will be no phone calls, at least 15 minutes. We can always understand that 15 minutes तो ऑक्सीजन के बगैर नहीं रहा जा सकता, मोबाइल के बगैर तो जरूर रहा जा सकता है. So, try to keep that mobile away for a little while. 15 मिनट मोबाइल से दूर रहने से किसी की जान नहीं चली जाती है. I can vouch, I can bet on that. So try and live with your family, try and enjoy. And believe me, the toughest skill, but the most important and most enjoyable skill of parenting is being joyful. So laugh as much as you can. Try to find humor in everything. हर एक चीज में से ह्यूमर मिल ही जाता है. सम पीपल हैव एन इनहेरेंट बाय डिफॉल्ट क्वालिटी, जो कहीं से भी जोक्स निकाल लेते हैं. फॉर सम पीपल इट इज अ चैलेंज टू फाइंड, बिकॉज देयर आर सम पीपल जो हर टाइम उनका रोना ही होता है. they never find anything good in anything. They always have to find two negative things in every possible positive thing also. So try to come out of that zone, try to look for humor, try to laugh as much as you can, try to be funny. Being a preschool teacher for a long time and now a director of a preschool, I always feel that children get attracted towards funny things. So not only children but adults also, because we love thriller shows, we love detective shows, we love family shows, but the most loved shows are the comedy shows. So it's very tough, when I was hearing Kapil's interview, he said कि comedy show को किसी को हंसाने के लिए कितना depth में काम करना पड़ता है, you cannot imagine. So it's really, I can second on that thought कि it's really very challenging, to keep others in that mode when they are happy. उससे ज़्यादा challenging है to keep your own self happy. So try and accept that challenge for your own self, because if you are happy inside, only then you will be able to project that happiness with the people whom you are around. So it's very important. So find a happy note every single day कि जिस पे आप हंस सको, और try to find happiness from any situation that happens in your house. घर में छोटी मोटी ऐसी घटनाएं घटती हैं जिनको हम light कर सकें. Everything does not need us to become the general or the director or the Hitler to respond. We can laugh it out also. So be a jovial parent, be a joyful parent, and that is a wonderful skill to adapt in parenting. So dear friends, this is from Mom Harsha. Be joyful, be smiling, be happy all the time, and see you soon tomorrow. So tomorrow letter K. So y'all can write कि कल का letter K क्या represent करेगा. So I would love to read also कि आप लोग क्या speculate कर रहे हो. So yes, this is bye from my side. But before that, on the 3rd of May, the society is trying to lift up the lockdown. I don't know till what extent the lockdown will be lifted, but post lockdown, please do not rush out as if कि घर में पड़े पड़े जंक खा गए हो, और आपको किसी ने पिंजरे में बंद कर दिया, and the doors are open and we have to rush outside. Please find safe way to go, because we have to take a lot of precautions in that matter. We have to see that where we are going is a safe place. Is that place sanitized? Are the people wearing masks? Because once we are out, more likely it is the corona will be in. So let's not rush, and stay safe, stay at home. Lot more to come from Mom Harsha, and happy to read your comments in this comment section. Sandhya, hi. Pooja, hi. There are a lot of other people whom I will just say a quick hi. Gitika, hi. Bhumi, hi. Shwetal Shukla ma'am, hi. Divya, hi. Hina, hi. So this is a hi from my side. And again, this is a bye. So tomorrow with letter K, let me know your suggestions, what you are thinking that letter K kal kya lekar aayega. Bye bye.